Hi everyone, I am Divyapreet and in this video I'll be sharing how I cleared the UPSC Civil Services Prelims examination in my third attempt. So in my first two attempts I was scoring around 76 to 77 marks, which were close to 10-15 marks below the cutoff in those years. From here I moved on to score in the 90s, which was 10-15 marks above the cutoff in 2022-2023. So here's what I did to get that 20-30 marks jump, which resulted in a positive outcome. So first I did deep analysis of my prelims papers. Now this analysis was done in two manners. First was subject-wise analysis. So for this, I segregated the questions as per the subjects and saw how many did I attempt from each subject, and amongst those, how many did I get correct and how many were incorrect. So this gave me an idea of which subjects were my strengths and which were my weaknesses. Next, analysis was done in a question by question manner, where for every question that I attempted, I would see if I got it correct or incorrect. Then I would see the reason behind it being correct or incorrect. Let's say if I got a question incorrect, I would judge if it was because I did not understand that concept, or there was lack of revision, or it was just a silly error. So these analysis basically helped me understand where exactly I had to work in my next attempt. Then I came on to syllabus coverage, and my aim was to cover the syllabus holistically. So for this, I used a filling up the gaps approach, where I judged what topics in each subjects were my weak areas. For example, in modern India, tribal revolts was my weak area, and constitutional acts in modern India were my weak area. So I made it a point to sit down and cover these topics thoroughly, so that I do not get a basic question incorrect from these areas in the exam. So this was about the filling up the gaps approach. Next, I did PYQ analysis. So PYQs really are the gold mine. They help us understand UPSC's perspective on static subjects and current affairs. So I did thorough PYQ analysis, which helped me in the actual prelims exams, because a few questions were directly related or picked from the PYQs. Next, what I did was just a second. Yeah, so next was a change in my study strategy. I started using recall. Now, recall is something which is a game changer. Up until that point, after reading a chapter, I would just move on to the next chapter without actually seeing how much could I retain from the chapter I had just read. Recall changed things for me because I could now retain more and I could now reproduce more in the actual exam. Next, I made something that I call the prelims folder. So this is a folder of everything that I would either forget frequently, or things that I learned through the mock tests, or just anything that I wanted to revise n number of times. So the main purpose of this folder was to revise it before each and every mock and before the actual prelims exam. So for example, this folder has chronological order of modern India events, because I tend to forget the chronology at times, so I made this to remember it thoroughly. Then there's a chart for the Ramsar sites, and then I have also kind of made notes for the protected areas, which are often asked in the prelims exam. So the idea of this folder was that I would go through my weak areas multiple times so that I can learn those things and I can answer questions if asked from these areas. Next was to give offline mocks. Now, why do I emphasize offline in this case is because for every Sunday I had scheduled 2 mock tests. First was in the 9:30 to 11:30 slot and in the 2:30 to 4:30 slot. In both these slots I would give GS mocks. So by the time actual prelims paper came around, it was like just another Sunday where I would be going to give an exam. So mock tests really helped me, and I would also do the same analysis for mock tests which I did for the prelims. For every mock test I would see why I got a question correct or incorrect, and I would then improve upon those things, and would also include whatever learnings I got from the mock in this prelims folder. So yeah, these were the major things that I changed in my third attempt, through which I could clear the prelims examination. I hope you can find something that works for you amongst these, and all the best. Thank you.